Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make very beautiful Rangoli. First, gather your essential materials like vibrant colored powders, fine chalk, and a clean, flat surface. Next, select a design. Beginners might start with simple geometric shapes or elegant floral patterns. Ensure your chosen area is spotless and dry, providing the perfect canvas for your artistic expression. This careful preparation is key to achieving a stunning final piece. Now, let's create the outline for your Rangoli masterpiece. Using chalk or a light-colored powder, carefully draw the foundational lines of your design. Focus on maintaining symmetry and proportion to ensure a harmonious and balanced composition. For more complex patterns, or if you are just starting, stencils can be incredibly helpful, guiding your hand to precise and beautiful shapes. This step sets the stage for your colorful creation. With your outline complete, it's time to bring your Rangoli to life with vibrant colors. Carefully pour or sprinkle the colored powders into each section, staying within the lines you've drawn. Use your fingertips or a small, pointed tool to gently spread the powder evenly, ensuring a smooth finish. Experiment with blending 2 or 3 colors for beautiful gradient effects, or use contrasting hues to make your design truly pop. To complete your beautiful Rangoli, add some exquisite finishing touches. Place small dias, fresh flower petals, or a sprinkle of glitter to enhance its festive appeal. Carefully brush away any stray powder around the edges to achieve a crisp and polished look. Remember to protect your artwork from strong winds or accidental foot traffic to ensure it remains pristine for as long as possible, delighting all who see it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.